We're live from the Contractors Edge booth, sponsored by our friends at Foundation Rescue Supply. And we're here with Fabian and Enrique from the Liner Guys. So excited to hear more. I know you guys you're really new to the industry, and I want to hear when did you launch? What products are you offering?
So thank you very much for receiving us. We are the Liner Guys. We are specialists in manufacture woven vapor barriers and all kind of liners. We have been manufactured for this market for 5 years.
Oh, that's great.
We always manufacture for different brands. I like to say that we are the best secret of this market because everybody knows our product, but nobody knows us. Or not nobody, but some people.
We have shipped about 50,000 rolls already.
Wow, that's incredible.
And not one has come back with a defect or we had to replace it or anything.
That's fantastic.
I've been manufacturing plastic products all my life. I grew up in a plastic factory with extrusion, injection, rotomolding. So I literally grew up in the factory. And one day, because of a customer of another kind of products, they asked us about vapor barriers. And we start 5 years ago, and as Enrique says, we never stop. And we start launching our brand, the Liner Guys, in the world of concrete. And when we heard about this convention, we didn't want to miss it.
Oh, yeah.
This is a great place with great people. It's exclusive for the industry. Yes. We are talking all the same language here because we talk about the same things. Yes. We share the same needs. We share the same goals. And I always say that no matter if we are competitors, we are always colleagues. And it's great to be here developing new stuff with new opportunities with the people that we already know and the one that we don't know.
Yeah, also, it's the right time.
Yes.
Because as a group, as an industry, it's trying to formalize processes, materials, etc. We are very technical, so we want to show people how to differentiate by applications and compare two products that look visually the same,
yes,
but they're not.
Right.
Oh, that's exciting. And I'm interested to learn a little bit more, about the liners, because obviously you're very enthusiastic about it, and as you said, you're technical. So, what is your approach to the liners?
Mainly, we like to educate and to teach the customer how to find the right product for their needs. Okay. Sometimes the same two different products has the same information in the label, but this doesn't mean nothing.
Sure.
So as manufacturers, we like to talk about density of the product, no thickness. We like to talk about the materials of the product and how they react to different needs and different kind of installation. And that's a way. What we want to do is to give some tips to the customers about how to realize which is the product that they need for the installation. So smart. Sometimes it's not in the label. Sometimes it's in how you feel the product, how you see the product, and the idea is to focus in that one and not in some things that most of the labels say the same.
Sure.
And also teach them what to ask to the manufacturer. Right. Also, our goal today is in the last year there's a thing with the profits in the margin. Mm-hmm. The profits every year are lower, and people and companies are struggling to have profits. And sometimes the only way that they can find is working with less quality products or cheaper products.
Sure. And that's not good.
And this impacts directly in the work and on the reputation of the whole industry.
Yeah, we feel the same way.
Yep.
Yeah,
because no matter if somebody's my competitor, if they make a good job and they sell good products, this will affect positively to all, to everybody of us.
Absolutely.
If somebody does something good, this will impact in a good way in me. And if I do something good, this will impact in my competitors, okay? Mm-hmm. Because the experience of the customers will be that, hey, these guys are great. I had a great experience. So really, that's what we are trying to do. And about the profits, as we are the manufacturer, we are trying to build a better profit for our customer.
That's great.
Because if we want them to install the best product, at least they they must have a great profit.
Right. It's interesting because we see it on marketing a lot of the time. Like if you have a bad experience with a marketing agency or with a marketing product, you may lose all confidence in marketing, right? The same can be true if somebody does an encapsulation for somebody and then it fails in some way, it does not solve the solution. Yeah. You can kind of soil their opinion of encapsulation entirely. And that's the way that, using inferior products or not doing the job right, and it's all being called the same thing in the industry. The homeowner doesn't understand the nuances of why this one would work and why this one wouldn't, right? So it's, if you aren't doing solid work, kind of dragging the whole industry down.
It's like a butterfly effect,
Yeah.
Yes. If I do something good, this going to affect maybe in the other part of the world, but it's in a positive way.
Mm-hmm.
If I do something bad, it's going to affect maybe in the other part of the world, but in a bad way to another colleague. So we are here sharing the same stuff together, and we are developing an industry all together. So we are very confident about these connections and this place, again, to meet people, to know their opinions, to think about our goals together. We're very happy to be here.
That's fantastic. How's the show been for you guys?
Great. A lot of contacts, and we've been in the world of concrete, and we have hundreds of contacts.
Yeah.
But here we have like the target of the
the quality contact is here.
Absolutely. Yeah. And the contractors that come here, they're really dedicated to improving what they can provide to the homeowner. So when they're learning, they're here for education. They're here to meet, folks like you that have quality products to help them understand how they can make the homeowner happier and then improve their reputation, which helps their business grow. So it all is, like you're saying, it's just the circle, and it does affect everyone. And we love the fact that when someone is really focused on helping improve their processes and systems, much like you said with the processes, this is what helps to improve the entire industry. Right. And, as you've heard Jay say up on stage, the biggest concern right now is the perception of what is this industry look like and how can we improve that and give a better experience. And it all goes back to the homeowner's experience. So it is very exciting. So
yeah, and you also have to define the key performance and the key questions to ask before you even go to the job, because the material that we sell, that we manufacture, is a very small portion of the total job.
It's true.
Right.
So it costs a lot in terms of labor, lawsuits sometimes.
Yes.
To not pick the right product from the start.
Absolutely.
We want to work with people like the association here to at least have a reference stand.
Yeah.
And say, okay, there's these 5 questions and the answers are yes, then this has a high probability of being a good product.
Yes.
Versus just say, I'm going to buy this one because I'm just going to make this up, $100. This other one is $150. Why would I buy something more expensive?
Mm-hmm.
And we have, the top of the line product.
Yes.
We were just talking about standards. And
yes. We will talk about standards and norms and certifications, and sometimes we use that as the best thing. And most of the time, the standard or the certification, it's the floor, it's the minimum, the minimum dispensable. But this doesn't mean that we can put a roof, So that's what we are trying to do, not to work with the minimum, just to give the match, the match in the product, in the profit. And again, we are building something together. We are here to teach, but we are here to learn also. Because maybe I know a lot about manufacturing, but the guys who install this product, who sell this product, who are in touch with the final customer every day, they know better than us. And we are here for that, for hearing what they need and to keep developing solutions and help them to grow up. Because if our customers grow up, if our competitors grow, this will impact positively to us.
Oh, it helps the entire industry. And that's what years ago, when crawl space encapsulation was so new, it was foreign to the homeowner. So the homeowner didn't understand, and they almost felt like it's a snake oil sales. And so it took years with building science and reports and case studies to show improvement, and the separation of the earth from the rest of your home, to improve the indoor air quality, to eliminate, mold, moisture, even rodents.
And you make a great point there, because our product is going to be touching the earth
Yes.
for the rest of the life of the house.
Yes.
And you don't want a product that in 5 years is degraded.
Agreed.
And now you get the same problem that you tried to solve the first time.
Yeah.
So with this, the installer, the companies that do foundation work, they can go in once, do their job right, and then they don't have to worry about it.
That's great.
There's something that I always, in every production, in every sale, in every pallet, in every roll, something that I speak always with my employees, with my collaborators is, guys, we are talking about chemistry, we are talking about manufacturing. We have contractors, distributors, manufacturers. But the thing is that we are working for improve the lives of the people. Like when you are fixing a basement, there's a space in the house. Maybe you can give the husband his own space, a healthy space where he can be happier, developing his own stuff. Or maybe I have teenage kids and they like to have their own spaces. And in our basement, we develop a place for them. And maybe I have my wife sometimes that she has a lot of stuff in the house, and she likes to use the basement to put a lot of stuff there that me and my kids will not throw away. And again, no matter if it's a production, if it's a manufacturer, if it's a contractor, if it's a distributor, we are working for the improvement of the life of the people, because we are working for them. And that's our idea. It's to build healthier places, places that will last in time, and they will be an insurance for the life of the people, an insurance for the contractor that did the work, and for an insurance for the whole industry. Because as we said in the first part of the talk, it's if somebody has a bad experience with any one of us, they are having a bad experience with the whole industry.
Yes, they are. They are. Very true.
And again, the final impact is the most important. That is people's life, families, and this is what we want to do: improve people's lives.
Right.
Well, Fabian and Enrique, thank you so much for coming by and spending time with us today.
Thank you.
For the audience, what is the best way to get in contact with you guys?
They can visit us in thelinerguys.com. They can contact us in at thelinerguys.com. There's our phones also in the website, and we are also very open to answer anything. We live in the 21st century. There's no secrets.
Yes.
There are no secrets. You can Google anything. You can ask to AI anything. So just let us know what you need, and we will answer.
That's great. Yeah.
And we want to thank you for having us. Thank you. Having this little interchange.
Yeah.
Then tomorrow we have a seminar in the morning.
Fantastic.
And we're going to talk about how to differentiate one product from the other.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
And to finish, this is somebody told me once, it's all about people.
Yes.
And this is what we are trying to do, to build relationships and to improve people's life.
I agree. Well, that's what we're all here. And if we all do our best to make a positive impact, we really can make a difference.
Thank you very much for having us here, and we are very fan of you guys.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Anthony.
Thank you. Nice to meet you again.